Isn't that how people do it?
No! Welcome back to my channel. What's up?
That's cute.
This is so cute. So basically me and Maya went out and did something.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
I mean, it's not bad or anything, but so I'm back. Let's get started. So we're just gonna jump into it. I don't fucking know. I got this kit, this bleaching kit. Okay, so, and then it came with like this thing, so we don't need that. And it came with gloves, and this brush, this, and a sink plunger. I don't know. We're gonna mix the contents. Okay. Oh my god, by the way, this is so bomb. This is bomb. It's cotton candy. It's pre-workout, but I'm not working out. So, we're gonna put these gloves on first. Pretty sure my roommates can hear me. Or sweet mates. I don't have a roommate. Like a bitch. So, oh my god, let's talk about life. I don't fucking know. But we're not gonna sit here in silence, so scalpel. Chop chop. So right now nothing's fucking significant. The fuck? Okay, whatever. Nothing is significant right now. The only thing significant is can I say that? Nothing really. But I'm obsessed with my RA.
Jesus Christ.
Did you get that last part? It's just, it is what it is. Now we're gonna mix this. Yeah. Oh shit! That burned my eye. What is this?
Chemical X.
Jesus Christ. Does that turn you on? You sick fuck. Nah, I'm just playing. I love ASMR. So we're gonna start. Do I have to record this part? Oh my god, it's already done. I can't back out now. Fuck. I already fucked up. I've already done fucked up. What now?
Don't have a lot of faith, but I've got faith.
Ew. I kinda like that. I can't see my back, so be right back. Yeah, I still can't see my back. Let's worry about that in a few.
6.5 hours later.
I'm getting lightheaded.
That's the smell.
What do I do?
What do we do? Oh, you're wearing gloves after, so I should just run your fingers through your hair.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah. Like, play with it like you normally would to let the dye, like, dig in. Oh yeah, it's not pleasant.
Oh my gosh. Did I get on my shirt? Ow! My god, Nick!
I do this. Push your hair forward, that way I can get what's on the other side.
You're gonna put more?
You shouldn't mix anything with bleach. Gonna... So those things that happen if you bleach hair is you get dandruff for a little bit.
Well, that's nice.
That's fucking nice.
Back.
Alright. We're gonna do this. I'll be right back. What? My scalp is white. He's putting a second round of bleach. This is what it looks like after the first round of bleach.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Yeah, buddy. Oh my god, I literally look like fucking Goku. Jack is our really hot RA.
Oh yeah, I'm a straight dude, and I agree.
Right? It's crazy. He's so freaking...
Me and Jack talk about it every week.
About what?
Just different stuff. One-on-one. I just have little meetings with him.
What?
Yeah.
Why don't I have a meeting?
Do you have a need for a meeting besides wanting to look at him?
What's your meeting?
Hope he doesn't see this video.
He told you that?
Yeah.
That he still likes her?
Yeah. They were together for 2.5 years.
Don't care. Shit, this is... She's gonna come.
calling?
She's definitely gonna about to come in. Hello?
Hi, I have a few different questions for you. Okay, the first one is...
Wait, what? No. The answer is no. Thank you. Doesn't matter. Not right now, I'm filming. Maybe in like 2 hours. Goodbye.
She's not gonna come by.
I don't think so, but I'm gonna lie. Now that our hair looks like the sun like shed on it, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god, it feels like plastic. But it's fine. Cool. It says to leave in for 1 minute, but I'm gonna leave it in I just farted. Okay, a lot longer than that. Okay. Expelliarmus. Levito. Limbardium Leviosa. Revelio. Passio. Stupefy. Wingardium Leviosa. Not Wingardium Leviosa, it's Wingardium Leviosa. Shut the fuck up, Jonathan. Oh my god. Like, I'm sorry if this video is not as entertaining as you might have thought. That was your problems. That was your expectations. And expectation leads to disappointment. So, it all comes back to you. That was cute, wow. Oh my god. I have a pie. What? Oh my gosh. I'll be right back.
What?
Okay, so this is what it looks like. Sort of towel dried.
Not recording?
It is now.
Now it's recording.
It is now. Do you think it looks really bad?
It doesn't look bad. It's just wet, so it's gonna be darker.
It's like dodging the question.
It's a lot. Being
I'm
dry.
not dodging the question.
I'm not dodging any question.
I'm just saying.
This
I'm
is
stating a fact.
It's yum yum sauce. The resemblance.
Think you funny. A gentle floral fragrance.
I'm afraid.
Oh. You want a wafer?
A wafer. Strawberry cream wafer cookies. ASMR. Just kidding.
You gotta get cookies. Hey guys. She's at that box like area.
I'm uncomfortable with myself.
Hey guys, welcome to my ASMR video. Okay, so I just wanted to make an outro for this phase. This is what it looks like after the bleaching process. What up, bitch? Cuter and better than ever.
I've been living my life on this second all day, contemplating ways, just looking for